institutions, as you all are aware, the JEE Advanced 2025 examination results are out, and in this riot of celebration here at Narayana, we all are celebrating our rank achievers. And in this joyous occasion, I have the directors of Narayana Group joining me. So ma'am, first of all, what are your initial reactions? I'm sure over the years we have been achieving ranks. This must be an expected but such a great result. What do you have to say?
We have expected the result. Actually, it happens. It gives like immense pleasure. So we are in that joy. Yeah, we are in that peaks, we can say it.
In top 10, we have got 5 ranks in open category, 3, 4, 6, 7 and 10. And if you talk about top 100, we have 35 and 1000, we have 179. This year, any examination, you take competitive examination, you take board examination, we have been creating an edge in this market, in the education industry, and I strongly believe Narayana Group of Educational Institutions has been one institution which is laying a very strong foundation to the students, at the same time making sure students' dreams turn into reality. So we're super excited about the result. We have been waiting all throughout the year. In fact, everyone over here have been waiting throughout the year for this amazing result, and I really can't wait for the celebrations to start.
And ma'am, what message would you like to give to our young achievers and parents present here?
So one message I would like to give is, we all have dreams, but sometimes, whenever we overcome obstacles, we lose that dream, we compromise. But instead of that, if you really work hard, if you take up the challenges, and if you understand what is that one step, where should I go, I'm sure your destiny is defined. We all have like super big dreams, but one thin difference is that we all have dreams, but what does it take for you to achieve that milestone? If every student, every person can identify that, I think that will be a game changer.
What message would you like to give to the entire Narayana family for this huge result?
Yeah, I congratulate each and every student and our teaching staff who are mainly behind this, and of course the parent support. With each and everyone's cooperation and coordination, we are able to achieve this. All India Open Category 5 out of 10 and 35 out of 100 and 198 in 1000. It shows the result, it shows the hard working, the cooperation and coordination of the students, teaching staff and the parents. It is a collaborative work.
Yes.
Thank you.
We've seen the hard work of all the students, the teachers, the deans, all the administrative staff, and we've seen the results of that today, and we're extremely happy and proud of the students here. Not just the students that you see today, but also those who couldn't make it and celebrate with us today. And I want to congratulate each one of you and for sharing this with us, and I wish you all the best for your future.
So we have the parents of All India Ranker 4th joining us today, that is Parth. What do you have to say, sir? Were you expecting this sort of a result like All India Rank 4?
It's very difficult to predict a rank, but we were sure that the efforts that Parth and his teachers and the entire institution have put in, we expected a good rank, but 4th is very good rank, and we are very proud of him as well as the entire institution. Thank you very much for that.
I think it's the same. Parth had put the efforts. The team at Narayana had helped him a lot. So we were really expecting a good rank. But this is something we are really very happy about.
We are so happy. Chana santosham. Idi 5 సంవత్సరాల కల 7వ తరగతి నుంచి మా బాబు నారాయణలో ఉన్నాడు. ఇది all goes to the Narayana system. I can say the curriculum, the error corrections, the weekly exams, and all together. And the main, all the staff, the coordination, they work in a way that is the thing made us proud. Today we are so happy.
We expected a good rank, but within 10, we can't express the words.
For me, consistency helped me a lot, and I just personal growth saw my just improving myself throughout the years.
Sir, ma'am, how are you feeling about this entire journey of his? And clearly his hard work has paid off.
Yeah, we are very happy, very satisfied with the results. Whatever efforts he has put, and with the able guidance of the institute and faculty, I think that has given these results. So we are very happy.
If you who don't know, Sahil's brother is also IIT Delhi passed out. So it's a family of engineers right here with us. So how did you actually help him in his journey? What were some cheat codes that you shared with him which worked out for him?
I think for the cheat codes he had his friends and teachers. Mostly I was there when he wasn't feeling too well and in his downs basically when he was feeling very low. He lost some marks and like I can do this. Those moments I was there to help him out and help him believe in himself.
So Sahil, how are you planning to celebrate this? Are there any unrealistic demands that you've made to your parents after All India Rank 7?
Well, really I need a taxi to go to IIT Powai.
Hi, can you tell us your name and your rank please?
Hello everyone, my name is Anirudh Reddy. I have secured AR 20 in J Advanced 2025.
As you know, I'm faculty of Narayana since 20 years. So I'm very happy sir, today. Elder brother, he also got the 2022 topper in.
I'm really very happy. Can't express in words today that both my sons are from Narayana. Very thankful to Narayana Group, ma'am. It's only hard work, ma'am. I can say hard work and believe in yourself and continue with your hard work till you reach your goal. That's what I can say, ma'am.
Yeah, it's the same, like all the hard work and dedication. And like I motivated him in his low times, like even in JEE mains, like we had slightly unexpected result, but I motivated him that you don't have to lose hope. I have confidence in you. You have the talent and the hard work you have done. So you will definitely achieve the result. Be cool-minded. And even I was present during his exam. I stayed there for all the 6 hours during his lunch. And I just asked one thing, like whatever happens in paper 1, don't keep in that mind and have a very cool paper. So like, yeah, that's it.
As you know, it's pouring ranks here and I have one more young achiever joining us. Hi, can you tell us your name and your rank please?
My name is Piyusha Das and I have secured All India Rank 29.
It's a really proud moment for us. We are basically speechless, just enjoying the moment and we are very, very happy. And thanks to Narayana for their system. Very proud of seeing those teachers. They are like genius. And somehow they are finding those people and giving us. So we are very lucky that we have got to into Narayana.
बहुत खुश मैं तो यहाँ आई थी एक ड्रीम लेकर ये ड्रीम फुलफिल हो गया है मैं थैंक्स टू नारायण मैं यही बोलूँगी क्योंकि इसके बिना पॉसिबल ही नहीं था टीचर्स के बिना सपोर्ट के बिना एकदम और प्रमिला मैम तो मतलब इतना इनकरेज किया मैं बोलती हूँ जब भी इनका रिजल्ट खराब होता था तो मैम ने क्यों हुआ सोचो क्यों हुआ मतलब एरर करो मतलब ट्राई करो फिर होगा मतलब ये सब बहुत ज़रूरी था है कि नहीं मैं मम्मी पापा तो क्या करेंगे मतलब हम तो सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं लेकिन पूरा मतलब सिस्टम ही सब कुछ है
My name is Chel Singla and I got an All India rank of 76.
Ma'am, I will say that girl power is a daily on the, I think hourly basis increasing in India, the country of ours. And the day is not far, the boys will have the quota for the IITs. The girls are the power. I have 2 daughters and they have made me proud. One is in IIT Delhi, another one goes to Mumbai. And it's a proud moment for any parent.
I'm really thankful to God and finally hard work has paid off. I'm really grateful to all her teachers, to Narayana Institute and the teachers motivated and guided her thoroughly and thanks to all. That's it.
I'm Arnav and I have secured AIR 38 in J Advanced.
Feeling very proud of Arnav and very thankful to Narayana Group, especially to Promila ma'am and all teaching staff and non-teaching, especially Rakesh sir, Reddy sir and Simran sir also. They have very well done work for Arnav and they always coordinate with him. The guidance of Narayana Group that weekly test and that maintain a good rank in that test also. Doing hard work.
काफ़ी बजट थी जब प्रिपरेशन के बाद तब उतना नहीं लगता था कि कहाँ जाएगा ये सब बट अब जब पता लगा कि ये सब एंड यहाँ पे होता है तो काफ़ी अच्छा.
Since 2018, his only one dream. I have to go IIT Mumbai. CS. Now it's fulfill his dream.
తెలుగు రాష్ట్రాలకి ఐఐటి అనేది ఒక కళ లాంటిది నారాయణ సంస్థ వచ్చి ఐఐటి సాధారణ మధ్యతరగతికి కూడా అందించగలిగిన సంస్థ నారాయణ సంస్థ.
We were expecting a rank, but 53 is quite a good rank to be celebrated for.
And the faculty, the teachers, they have taken each and every point into care. Means how to attempt from the questions till the time that they go and sit in the exam. So they have taken care of each and every single points. So we are very happy about what we have got.
And we are thankful to Almighty God. We are thankful to teachers. We are thankful to the Narayana system which got the best out of Sanidhya. And we want to congratulate obviously Sanidhya for all his effort that he's put in, a lot of sacrifices that he's done over the years, but we are happy that it's culminated in a great success. Thank you very much. Thank you Team Narayana. We are really grateful.
చెన్నైలో అయినా నారాయణనే, హైదరాబాద్లో అయినా నారాయణనే, మేము వదలలేదు నారాయణ. మీరు నారాయణకు వస్తే మీ పిల్లల డ్రీమ్స్ హ్యాపీగా ఫుల్ఫిల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు నా వ్యూ ప్రకారం.
9th క్లాస్లో నారాయణ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్లో నారాయణ విద్యా సంస్థలో జాయిన్ చేశాను. మా నమ్మకాన్ని ఉప్పు చేయకుండా వాళ్ళు ఇంకా డబుల్ డిజిట్ ర్యాంకు 100 లోపు అని ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేసాం. అయినా మంచి ర్యాంక్ అండి 136 అనేటువంటిది. నారాయణ విద్యా సంస్థల చైర్మన్ నారాయణ సార్ గారికి, సింధు మేడం గారికి, కేకే సార్ గారికి హృదయపూర్వక ధన్యవాదాలు చెప్తున్నాను.